How to fix battery draining problem in OnePlus Nord. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on your device. Now scroll down. Now click on apps. Now tap on app management. Now find the apps you don't use and click on the app. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on force stop. Now simply enable this toggle of manage app if unused. Now go back. Again go back. Now tap on display. Now scroll down. Now tap on screen refresh rate. Now select it to 60 Hz. Now once you're done, simply go back. Again go back. Now scroll down. Now tap on system and updates. Now tap on software update and check for the latest version for your device. Now update to the latest version and go back. Now restart your device. I hope this will fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.